Hi, this is John from Chinese Zero to Hero. Here I'm just going to demonstrate a new feature of the Chinese Zero to Hero dictionary, and that is correlating our Chinese dictionary with our Japanese and Korean dictionaries. For example, if I were to search for 经济, economy, yeah, 经济, here's the word economy, and if you were to scroll to the very bottom, it says this. Learning Japanese, the Japanese word kezai means economics, business, etc. Learning Korean, the Korean word 경제 means economy. So if I were to click on 경제, I get to Korean Zero to Hero, and it's looking for the word 경제 in a Korean dictionary. The Korean dictionary is KingDic, by the way. If you're interested, you can go to the footer and open up the open source project and find out. So it tries its best to look for the Chinese characters for 경제 in the Korean context. However, variations do exist for Korean characters. So sometimes it might not be able to find the character correctly. I'm still working on it. It tries its best to look for 경제 on the web. I'm still looking for ways to get better images for that. Unfortunately, Sketch Engine doesn't have a lot of collocations for Korean words, but it does give you Korean collocations of the word on the left as well as on the right. For example, 경제 on the left, you get 경제 위기, which is economic crisis, 경제 협력, which is economic cooperation, and something 경제. For example, 세계 경제, world economy, 정치 경제, political economy, 국가 경제, country's economy, etc. And lots of example sentences. You can click on this to show 46 more. If you need even more than that, you can click on Naver and it will look for these Korean sentences on Naver. And again, it asks you, are you learning Chinese? The Chinese word 经济 means economy. So if you click on that, that goes right back to the Chinese dictionary. And it asks you, are you learning Japanese? The Japanese word kezai means economics, business, finance, economy. So that's exactly the same as this one here. So if you were to click on that, it goes to Japanese Zero to Hero. Japanese Zero to Hero, and it tries to look for the word kezai in our Japanese dictionary. And this is using edict. This is an open. The footer. I need to revise the footer. And it tries its best to look for images of kezai, and it's a good thing that Sketch Engine provides a lot of collocations for the Japanese language. Lots of example sentences again, and if you need more example sentences, you can click on here, 句库, and Lingue. 句库actually has Japanese sentences. Yeah, so it's able to look for Japanese words and gives you English to Japanese parallel example sentences, which is great. Yeah, so we don't have a lot of parallel sentences, but 句库 has loads. So go to 句库 and look for more example sentences. Or Lingue. Lingue also has more. I'm not sure if I'm correctly pronouncing this. Lingue? I think it's Lingue. So it's great if you're learning Chinese, Japanese, and Korean all at the same time, because a lot of Chinese words are exactly the same across the three with slight variations. So this helps you out. All right, I hope you like this new feature and enjoy learning Chinese, Japanese, and Korean all at the same time.